Using Esri's Business Analyst to determine the threshold for specific demographic variable. Say that we're in the business of children's clothing, and we're looking for a location, and we find that ideally our location would be near a large number of children under a specific age. Here, we can go in and create a threshold analysis. We can do so based on a single location. Let's say that we're interested in doing so based on dropping a pin on the map. Next, we want to determine the specific threshold. And we can search for any variable, or we can create our own custom variable. In this case, we want to know how many children there are in the surrounding area under the age of 10. When we select that variable, it'll take the system just a moment to create the area based on either rings or drive times to get to 10,000, 15,000, and 20,000 children under the age of 10. Next, we'll click Create Areas in the bottom left-hand corner, and the system will take just a moment to create the threshold analysis. Keep in mind that you can do this based on any demographic variable. You could do it for aggregate income. You could do it for population. You could do it for specific tapestry or lifestyle segments. You can also create the analysis area based on drive times. Here you can see the layers being created, and you can see that the analysis area created is a 3.3 mile radius, a 4.3 mile radius, and a 5 mile radius. We can take a look at the different thresholds and also export the data to Excel.